Unwinding the pages. The joy of curling up with a book. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful journey of learning English together. Today, we're exploring a very cozy phrase that book lovers around the world will instantly connect with. Curl up with a book. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means and why it evokes such a warm feeling, then you're in the right place. Let's unfold the pages of this expression together. The phrase, curl up with a book, is a vivid expression that brings to mind images of comfort, relaxation, and immersion in a literary world. But what does it mean, exactly? To curl up suggests taking a comfortable and cozy position, perhaps in a favorite chair or under a blanket, making oneself as snug as a bug in a rug. The with a book part is straightforward. It means to have a book in hand, ready to be read. Combined, the phrase paints a picture of settling into a comfortable spot for a session of uninterrupted reading pleasure. Why does this phrase resonate so deeply with many of us? Beyond the simple act of reading, curling up with a book taps into our universal desire for escape and relaxation. It's a form of self-care, a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, offering a passport to other worlds, times, and experiences, all from the comfort of your own nook. Culturally, it evokes images of rainy days, cozy firesides, and the simple joys of solitude and imagination. This phrase isn't just about reading. It's about the experience and atmosphere that reading creates, fostering a deep connection between the reader and the world contained within the pages of a book. You might be wondering, how can you use this phrase in your everyday conversation or writing? Here are a few examples. After a long week, I can't wait to curl up with a good book this weekend. There's nothing she loves more than curling up with a mystery novel on a rainy day. He found the perfect chair to curl up with his favorite book in the corner of the library. Using this phrase can add a layer of warmth and relatability to your conversations, especially when talking about leisure activities, preferences in books, or discussing ways to relax and unwind. We hope this exploration of the phrase, curl up with a book, has enriched your understanding and appreciation of the English language. It's expressions like these that add color and emotion to our conversations, allowing us to share our experiences and feelings more vividly. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for a book, remember the beauty and depth of what it means to curl up with a book. Happy reading, everyone! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language learning tips. See you in the next video.